Sniper, here we go. Right there.
One kill, baby. One kill. I can do it.
I'm landing with you in the middle.
And there's only charge rifles.
Good enough. Let me see.
I didn't hit him at all.
Oh, fuck,
JB's
he's
one.
one.
Up top. Came back in, drop it down.
Oh, he fucking got a shield spot?
Nice.
You got a fucking shield swap. I'm upset.
Oh no, he healed.
Well, good thing I rezzed you. Big brain plays.
Good thing I landed on a Spitfire. Did you hear me unload the mag into Ethan's back? I was like, I can't tap to reload.
Damn, you're just gonna let him say you blew your back out like that? That's crazy. I would never let someone do that to me.
But that's just speed, though.
But that's just me.
The team, god damn it.
Dude, I have 118 sniper bullets with their fucking names on it, bro.
How much?
118.
Sheesh.
I got hammer points and 33 rounds in the Spitfire.
Wait, where are they? Oh. 27. 56 knocked. Oh, I'm going in on this. Correct.
Another third party. Third party.
Okay.
I'm good.
I'm getting pushed.
You good?
Yeah.
You're gonna have to jump off, Jake. You have to jump off.
Nope. I hold these.
I completely backed up. I'm back here.
There's one pushing you over there. Bro, like, I have a white body shield. You need that bad, huh? Look at the white body armor swap. Other kids are outside.
That's good.
Other side.
I have to raise him out right now. Can't be.
I know. One guy left. You're good. He's pushing now.
Oh, I'm gonna fucking kill myself.
Calculated.
Oh. Holy shit.
Like, he's okay, though.
Oh, I'm going down. Oh.
No, you're good, bro. Another team with an EMP, bro. What's with the cryptos?
Oh, please. I'm fucking it right now. Or, fuck it.
I won't have time for clusters.
Knocked one.
Nice.
Go to my box.
Where are they?
On top.
30 on one? On the death box? Oh, I have
You're probably gonna get the res.
I'm popping in.
Waiting to go. Going back to the
Knocked one. I gotta drop.
I'm inside.
I'm healing. Outside right here.
Come in.
Me.
Knocked another one.
My God!
get heavy.
Cracked him. Dead.
Fucking minis, bro.
Last guy right here.
Why are you PMing? Fuck.
I'm
bro.
healing. I'm healing.
There's two of them.
It's fine. It's one guy. He's just
Okay.
holding sights.
I'm gonna pop med.
How's that? You died to hammer points.
Boom, arenas training. Good job, mate.
Let's get Krabered. Bro, the Mozambique hammer points are going off right now. Let me tell you.
Let me tell you something, bro. Sentinel going off right now. Fine, guys. I'm 11 damage away from blue. I did 510 damage and I died twice, so...
Wait, you broke up a...
What?
Nothing. You should just picked up a purple, bro.
No, right?
Bro, I'm panicking. I don't like being in zone.
It's zone 1.
Your mom's zone.
Bro, I had so far to go. Zone 1. Oh shit, they're right
Oh
here.
shit, I'm turning around.
I really can't, bro.
Wait, there's a fucking rat there. Is that guy knocked right there?
Yeah, I knocked 2 of them.
Cracked one, 125. I'm going in there.
There's my sniper healing. Fuck these kids. I knocked 1, cracked 2. I don't know if they killed.
Octane's weak.
Another one's pushing me.
There. Dead. Oh, option drop.
You're bad.
Oh, what?
That's what you get for using the Spitfire, bro.
Did all that with white body armor. Yep. You're mad. So much better than everybody. It's not the people on my team. Fuck.
Dude, I wanted to kill that guy with the Mozambique so bad.
I almost broke 1,000 being alive for like only a portion of the game.